Hello, good evening everyone. I am Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth for the Facebook Live on My Investment Mastery series. And today I've gotten a beautiful topic and the most easy topic. Well, it's called the bank fixed deposits. We all do them, and yet we don't know some of the facts about them. So today we'll be decoding some of those facts about this investment. And like I said, these are bank fixed deposits, the most common ones, the one kind of investment that almost all the times. So warm welcome everyone. Can you start acknowledging that you are here? Just type hello, hi, good evening, or give me a thumbs up or send some hearts. Everything. Hey Suma, so good to see you. Warm welcome. Swapna, good evening. Thanks for joining in. Guys, I love when we actually treat Women on Wealth as a money school and we show up for each class which is happening in the private zone or in our public domain on our Facebook page. So I love the momentum which is going on, and I would love to congratulate each one of you for building this momentum and keeping it up. Hey Meenal, Beena, Preeti, Archana, Vinita, Prerna, hello, welcome everyone. Ligi, hi. Okay, so Bhumika, thumbs up. On this note, let's move. Today's topic is bank fixed deposits. So before we begin, can I know who all have a bank fixed deposit? Who all has a fixed deposit in their banks? Just say me if you have a fixed deposit. Go ahead. Hi Srishti, welcome. So just say me if you have a bank fixed deposit. Hey Shriya, welcome. Oh, nobody has it, is it? Nobody in our community has a fixed deposit in the bank? Okay, well, I am taken by surprise. Well, that's good too, so we'll hear about it more today. Okay, there's one. Okay, Beena has said she has one. Okay, Meenal, got that. Swapna. Okay, now I'm getting my people in. Prerna, Bhumika. Okay, so all of you have bank fixed deposits. Brilliant. So let's today understand more about them. So guys, a bank fixed deposit is also a term deposit. So whenever you see me looking on my right, know that I'm looking at my laptop screen and I've made some notes from where I'm reading. So a bank fixed deposit, guys, is a term deposit and it earns better rate of interest than the interest that you get in your savings bank account. And this is a type of instrument where you get a certain rate of interest, rate of return for a specified period of time. The interest rates are offered by the banks and they depend on the period. So you could do fixed deposits for a few days, weeks, months, and so on. And the maturity period is generally between 15 days and 10 years. So that's the period. And the interest rate is higher for longer duration. So whenever you are doing a fixed deposit, if you're doing it for a longer period of time, it will give you a better rate of interest. Okay? And you can withdraw these deposits with the guaranteed rate of interest. Unlike most of us believe that fixed deposit in our banks are completely protected, it's not that, guys. Today I want all of you to break that myth out. Whatever money you've kept in your fixed deposits, the capital, the money that you invested is not absolutely safe. it's only fully protected up to rupees 1 lakh by the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Scheme of India. So up to 1 lakh rupees is fully protected. Any amount which is beyond this 1 lakh is not protected. The deposit is not inflation protected, which means whenever inflation is above the deposit interest rate, the deposit earns no real returns. Okay. Guys, Shreya is just saying that there is a huge lag in my video. Is that so? Just say yes if you're also experiencing lag in my video. Huge lag. I mean, normal lag to hota hi hai. Could you just say yes if that's so? Hi Rochelle, welcome. No, it's playing fine, Anamika. It's fine. Hi Shobna. Okay, then I think it's Shreya. It's Shreya's internet then. Okay, great. I'm glad I asked. Okay, fine for you, Rochelle. Anamika, yes. Got that, Preeti. Okay, so my internet is working fine, guys. Thank God for that. Okay. So no lag, okay, Meenal? Yes, that's what you were saying. So I'm moving forward, guys. So the interest rate has to be higher than inflation rate for it to protect you from inflation. And like we all understood, it's about 7%. Inflation is about 7%. The interest rate is fixed and it's guaranteed for the duration of the deposit at the commencement of the deposit. So the interest rate is fixed and it's guaranteed for the duration of the deposit. And that's decided right when you start the fixed deposit. It has a lock-in period, but you can always break out of the lock-in and liquidate your money with penalty. So there'll be a penalty which will get charged if you liquidate your money before the time that's decided. The tax benefit is not there in fixed deposits. Only if you're choosing a 5-year fixed deposit will you get the tax benefit of Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, where you can save 1.5 lakh rupees. Otherwise, any fixed deposit you do and any interest you receive, it is taxable, and interest is taxable above 10,000 rupees. And this was introduced on June 1st, 2015, where tax is deducted at the source on the interest income above 10,000 rupees at a rate of 10%. So that's what is the tax implication on the interest that you make on the fixed deposits. Two kinds of fixed deposits, guys. One fixed deposit is where the tenure, the rate of return is fixed, and that's the fixed deposit. And the other one, like I exactly talked about right now, is a tax saver fixed deposit where the lock-in period is 5 years. You cannot break that. By paying a penalty, you cannot break that fixed deposit, and here you get a tax benefit of under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. Okay, where you can open these deposits: any nationalized bank, private sector bank, foreign bank, any bank. You select the bank branch, choose a nominee, and you need a bank account that needs to exist, and it has to be KYC compliant. And you can open the fixed deposit in the same bank. You can also issue a check through your existing savings account to start the fixed deposit. And generally the bank informs you, it sends you an email now saying that this is the fixed deposit that you just did. Also, guys, in the 5-year tax saver fixed deposit, like I said, no premature withdrawal. Also, you will not get loan against fixed deposits, and there is no auto renewal facility. Okay. No auto renewal, no loan against fixed deposit, premature withdrawal is also not there. Okay. I trust all of you are making notes, okay, because otherwise you'll have to go back to this video and create notes. Online, well, seamlessly you can now create fixed deposits. How many of you use net banking? Could you share that? Just say yes if you use net banking. Hi Remy, welcome. Puneet. Everyone just say yes if you actually use net banking, because things become really easy if you use net banking. Okay, Shobna, Preeti, Anamika, Bina, Shweta, Rakhi, Archana, okay, Debashri, Rochelle, okay, a lot of us are using that, right? Brilliant. Yes, Gunjan, okay, Meenal, got that. So a lot of you are using the fixed deposits, net banking. So fixed deposits, opening them can be really easy. Swapna, Bhumika, got that. So you can seamlessly transfer funds from your savings account to a higher interest earning fixed deposit, and net banking makes it really flexible, makes it easy, seamless. You can decide the tenure, the interest, you can see the interest that you're getting, the maturity period is clear. And if you do not put it on auto renewal, then the money gets credited back into your bank account. So that's how it is. You need to be a resident Indian with a savings bank account for this, for opening a fixed deposit. You need to be over 18 years old. If you are a minor who's opening a fixed deposit, then you need your guardian with you to open this account. And I think minimum deposit right now in a fixed deposit is 1,000 rupees, and there is no maximum limit. And currently, I think if I know it right, the interest rates are anywhere between 4% and 7%. So guys, for all of you who said that you have a fixed deposit, could you share what is the rate of interest that you're getting, and what's your tenure? So please start typing. Got that, Srishti, Prerna? So what's your rate of interest in your fixed deposit, and what's the tenure? Because according to me, what I am getting is around between 4 and 7% is what I know fixed deposits rate of interest. So I would love to know how much your bank is giving you. I'm waiting. Okay, 6.4% Prerna. What's the tenure, Prerna, for your fixed deposit? 5.3% for 1 year, Meenal. Okay, Bina doesn't remember. Got it. 6 months, Devashri is getting 4.1. Okay, Prerna is getting 6.4. It was created last year, but she, I think, doesn't remember the tenure. Okay, for the tax saving 5-year one, Bhumika is getting 6% or something. Anamika doesn't remember. Okay, got that, guys. So according to me, it's anywhere between 4 and 7% per annum. And the account holding categories, you can open an individual fixed deposit, a joint fixed deposit. As a company, you can open it, association, trust, minor through a guardian, or as a Hindu undivided family. So all of these can open a fixed deposit. nomination facility is available, early closure with a penalty is available. And now guys, coming to the objective. Okay, the objective of a fixed deposit is to earn a little more interest over and above the savings bank account. That's the only purpose. Okay, otherwise the other purpose is that people tell me where my investment is protected, there is no such guarantee. Okay, I just shared with you that the only guarantee is 1 lakh rupees. So you will get only 1 lakh if something happens to the bank or bank declares bankruptcy or whatsoever. Okay. Often these are preferred by risk investors who find that okay, there's a guaranteed rate of return and they assume that the amount which is deposited there is absolutely safe. Okay. The risks are that interest rates are dropping constantly. So you all know, I know that the rate of interest have been dropping constantly, and now the fixed deposits rate of interest are not beating inflation. And if they are not beating inflation, then it's reducing. By keeping your money there, by investing there, you're only reducing the value of your money, which may make no sense. So that's the kind of risk that you are taking. And given the economic situation, it doesn't seem that the interest rates are going to go up anytime soon. I talked about the deposit insurance and credit guarantee, which is really important. I want to make sure all of you understand that. Okay, so you may assume that bank deposits give you a high level of safety. Well, that's not true, and you all need to understand it logically instead of just operating from the past, what your parents told you, what you heard from different people. So you all need to open your eyes to facts now. That's number one. Know that there are no tax benefits. You cannot withdraw from a tax saving fixed deposit. Also, no loan facility, no auto renewal in there. You can only withdraw prematurely by paying a penalty, okay, in a normal FD. So that's it for today, guys. I want all of you to start sharing. What are you learning today? What did you get? Got that, Hima? Raki, savings account can't be giving you 7%. Just check it out. It's not giving 7% anymore. Well, Bhumika, if you've already done it, then you need to know that this is not the, and I know you're pretty young. Bhumika, how old are you? You don't even need to be looking at a fixed deposit as a tax saving instrument. Okay? That's not the way forward, and I highly recommend that you do the Money Gym program, Personal Finance Blueprint program, because it will put all of this on track. This is not the best investment for you, and if you've done it, you're stuck for 5 years, but you can't keep getting stuck like this. Otherwise, what is at stake are your financial goals. You'll not manage to reach them. That's what's at stake. Yeah, definitely, Shweta. FD is not the best mode of investment. Like, you got to be really clear cut on why you're choosing a fixed deposit. What's the purpose in there? Got that, Raki, IDFC? Yeah, Devashri got you. So you learned that tax saving FD can help you save taxes. Yes. Yeah, Rimi, not safe. Like, we just come from this belief system that FDs are safe. And I don't even know what they're saving you from. If not inflation, then what? Anyways, the capital is not protected here or anywhere else. Yeah, so Archana, absolutely, bingo. Only emergency fund. That's what, we've been learning in the Money Gym program, in the Personal Finance Blueprint. Yeah, it seems like a safe investment. It's not. Bhumika at 28, definitely fixed deposit 5 years is not what you need to be looking at. Sonal, you just, with this video, there is a WhatsApp, okay, a link to a WhatsApp. Just send me a WhatsApp and I'll be happy to share the details with you. Okay, Sonal, so that's where you will get the details. Just WhatsApp me. The link is right with this video. Absolutely not good for your portfolio, Rochelle. Not much value if it's not going to be beating inflation. Absolutely, Swapna. Why should we be even bothered? FD is not safe. Can we change? Yeah, Anamika, can we change that mindset? Okay, Devashri saying she used to stop herself from spending. Didn't know what to do with her excess cash. Okay, so you chose FD. Well, this is the random way of investing, Devashri. When we don't know what to do with our money, we just put it somewhere. That's not how you invest. That's not an action that an intelligent investor will take. It's very different when you are an intelligent, conscious investor. Also, one of my mentors recently said knowledgeable investors. That's where we need to be coming from. Yeah, FD as an emergency fund. Okay, Rakhi, if you're getting 7%, great, my friend. Well, I am not seeing any such savings account right now. There are many, many better investments than FDs. Yes, absolutely. We just need to learn them and we need to just make them happen. Absolutely. Yeah, Bina. Great. Absolutely. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. We complete the My Investment Mastery series here. I love seeing all of you. Do keep coming, and this is your money school, women. So keep learning. Education, financial education is the key to financial freedom or financial goals. Any financial goals are possible with your financial education. So that's what I would like to say. Yes, Rochelle, thank you. Thank you. I truly acknowledge the space of gratitude that we create in this community. I love what Rochelle is saying here, guys. And, before I close, I want to share this. We need to change our mindset about FDs. This is actually a mindset game. We do not look at the logic behind it. We do not study it. We think, fixed deposit is something all of us know and we know it. But we really don't know. And we all we all need to be in an inquiry about things all the time. Because my mentor says, be an inquiry all the time. Look at this from an open mind, an open heart, an open will. And can we be doing that? So this is the only thing most people talk about, Rochelle says. And we need to be informed about the other ways of making our money grow. Absolutely. Yeah, Srishti, we have a video on PPF. You can go back, look at that video and make a decision for yourself. I would recommend that you join the Money Gym program because it helps you bring a lot of clarity in it. It is a proven system that over 4,000 women have used, and you can use it too to build your money life. So I would recommend that to you, Srishti. Yes, love the money school. Yes, Prerna, I love it too. Glad to be a part of this community. Thanks, Devashri. Thanks, Rimi. On this note, guys, we close today's My Investment Mastery series. Tomorrow is Friday, 10 a.m. sharp. We'll be coming together to decode the Economic Times newspaper. So till then, stay tuned and keep educating yourself financially because, like I said, it's the only way forward. Harsha, there is a WhatsApp message with this video. There's a WhatsApp link with this video. Just reach out on that link and I'll be happy to share the details of the Money Gym program and the enrollment process. Take charge, guys. Stay safe. Share this video with as many women you can. because it's only through your support that we'll be making 50 lakh women financially educated by 2030. Do support us in this mission. It's not possible without you. Thank you. Take charge. Bye-bye.